Hello guys, welcome back again to the my forex second video. So basically, remember the trade I said I bought the euro Australian dollar at 1.65 500. Well, actually it was 1.65 400 and 1.64 300. I'll show that to you at the end of this video. My trade that I placed it on Friday, that was 15, I think it was 14th of August. Today is 17. You can see that. So what happened what happened today was like my take profit one, which I said it was 1.64594. So basically, yep, we went to 620, right? So it went all the way up back there, but it's all right. You know, we almost reached take profit one, but I actually think that it will go take profit 3 or take profit 4, which is like really here, which is really further down there. So what I can say that is that the market is starting to, yep, it went up, but no, I think I'll take my profit here, 1.6396. This is like, I think, one of the confirmation that it will come down here within this week, and I think I'm gonna get out at that point. Oh, sorry, my bad. 1.6425, 1.64, 1.64. Let's just say here. Okay, I'm gonna get out at 141, 142 pip for today. So yeah, that's for now. It's all you gotta do is patience. Yeah, take profit one almost close, but it's gonna go down to take profit two, and hopefully it reaches down here. At least this is the 209 pips is actually what I'm looking at. But I'll just be careful, and I'll look closely to take profit two area. What happens? So basically, once it reaches like the take profit one, I'll move my stop loss to my entry point, and I'm just gonna wait for the whole week. So even if it hit my stop loss, like, I won't have any loss at all, which is perfectly fine. It's not about like, yeah. So until then, let's just go to pound USD. So for this, actually, I've been looking this for a month, and it's very complicated for you guys to look, but it's nothing like that. Actually it's very easy. It's just that, oh, that's Fibonacci. Let's go. It's nothing that hard or stuff. So what was happening is that, yeah, okay, so for me, I personally thought that the price of the pound, you see, this is like one of the major resistance here, 1.31419, which was a very strong resistance point. Like you can see here, it is a huge resistance point, and there are other resistant point, and you know, there's like a Fibonacci. So I thought the price would actually come up to 1.32500, or even 1.33, okay, yeah, somewhere here, because you know, it's just been an uptrend, but you can see there's kind of like it's a bit consolidation here, so we don't know what's gonna happen. So it's not a good time to enter the trade in pound Australian dollar. Yeah, okay, you see the -2 is here. See, that's like downtrend, but I'm sure that it's gonna go up a bit and it's gonna come down, because like a price cannot just go, you know, like momentarily keep going up pricing. Let's look at gold. Yeah, it was 2,100 almost, and it dropped to 1864. That's like, okay, if you don't know how many pip is that in a week, in 1 week it dropped 846 pips in 1 week, basically 5 days. It's crazy. Like, screw gold, man. It's too complicated. It's not too complicated, it's too risky. So for me, I'm gonna talk about pound USD. You can see monthly there's like an uptrend. So basically, so last month high was 1.131728, right? So basically it has to go above that, because this monthly is a very bullish candle. So that's why I kind of waited for it. So this month highest in August is 1.31862 till now, okay. So basically it's just 17th of August. So do you think, okay, it can come down at few resistance point and go up, or it can go up and it can come down and it can go up again, but still it has to come down at one point. So monthly is that. So you can see it's an uptrend, so trying to sell is a very foolish idea for now. Yep, weekly is still uptrend, and you can see there's -2. That means like the downtrend might start. Yep, but you don't know yet, because there's no confirmation at all for weekly. Let's go to daily. Okay, downtrend has started a bit, but you can see it's not trying to go down at all. So it's what happens is it's uptrend. There's a consolidation. It can go up, still uptrend. So for me, for pound USD is that for pound USD, wait, let me see, is it here? Did I draw the trend line? No, I don't think it's this one here. Did I draw it for a 1 hour line or that? This is what happens when there's a lot of trend line and stuff. This is the first one. So basically, let's say I was planning to sell the pound USD around 1.32500 to 1.3300, right? So this one would actually be my take profit 1.30, then this 2, 3, 4. And you know what, let's go to a monthly chart. Yeah, so this, okay, let me write it down also. Okay, the monthly, last month highest price was at 1.31763. The lowest was 2358. Okay, that's the highest high, highest low, right, for the last month. So let me just go to the daily chart. Weekly is a bit, there's nothing much. Yeah, 6-3. Okay. If the low, okay, I don't know how to explain to you guys, but for me, okay, you can see, okay, I think it's gonna go till here. The white line I drew, it's a very major resistance point, and it's like I will definitely sell at this price, okay, but now it's just like struggling here. So if it doesn't, okay, so 1.31495, if it doesn't come up, and if it starts to go down from this point, then I will sell at this point also, and my stop loss would be here. But let's just see what the market does. But I have a brief idea that it's gonna go up till here. Yeah, 1.3258. And people is like, oh, why don't I sell the price here? I'm like, yo, how much is that even? Okay, that's quite a lot. It's 250 pips. Okay, I'll see about it. Actually, 256 pips, and stop loss is like, it's gonna be another resistance point here. 50. Yeah, that's a very good. But my overall is sell at that point, so I'm just gonna wait. So let's go. Okay, let me draw one of the trend line. you see this, the lowest point. I'm just gonna do a trend line for my own should I go like this? Because this one turned out to work yet. Don't make it so complicated. I don't know what is this doing here. I'm just gonna draw if you tell me why I don't use this, is like if I use here, the trend is already broken, so the price and also it can be here, this low to here. So this is because this one is not okay. You know what, this will be it. So basically it's a confirmed, for me it's a confirmed idea that the price, once it reaches here, or yeah, for me, I hope it goes here, so it will be perfect time to sell, and I can make my stop loss somewhere here, which is fine. Okay, let me just do long position. My bad, short position. Okay, so okay, this is my perfect like idea. So case first is that for GBPUSD, so the stop loss would be the highest high previous 2019 December, that is 1.3472. 1.34742. okay, so my actually the prices, take profit 1, take profit 1, wait, let me see how many pips is that for our stop loss. 206 stop loss. I got 206 pips. 206 pips stop loss. My take profit 1 is at, oh come on, green. This is like, you can see this is June 10th June 2020, the highest high. This is the resistance point, so it has to come here at least. It has to come back to this point. So this is red, yeah. So I'm gonna make it a special color yellow. No, it's too. Maybe it purple now. Okay, white. Even down is white. Okay. What color should I make it? Good. You know what? I'll just go with white. White. This is also white. Okay, so it has to take profit 1 would be, this is like all take profit, but you know, you can see the pips between them is like 50. okay, so this is actually hourly. There's like hourly profit areas. Yeah, you can see hourly here. This is like very debatable profit. So let me say my first take profit would be, here, this one, 1.2750. 1.27590. okay, this is my take profit 1, guys, but this is also take profit if I'm scalping an hourly time frame. So this are the take profits, but since I'm gonna go intraday trading mode, and I'm gonna wait for a few days or even a week to reach here, but it definitely has to come here. at this point. So if I go from my entry point to the, oh damn, that's like 500 pips. You see, 500 pips. That's 500 pips. Okay, and I definitely think it will come to this point at least. This take profit one. Okay, let me just write it down for you guys. My take profit one is here. TP1. Okay, make it a bit bigger. White. Whoa. Shoot, my bad. I'm gonna write it here. TP1. Yeah. Okay, take profit one is here. This one. This is the take profit two. Okay, might be very. Take profit two. Add 1.26702. Okay. Okay, that's 590 pips. 90 pips more. So the final take profit is like, it's very debatable, but this is my final, the 4-hour chart. 771 pips, baby. The final, right? Take profit 3 is 1.2490. 771 pips. That's a lot, but you gotta be patient. You can see how long it will take. Okay, let's say it's gonna go bam, 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 like that. That's 44 days. Yeah, 44 days to 30 days, at least a month. Yeah, so basically, yep. But remember, the last month lowest was 1.23580. So there's no way like the price will go below that point. But if it does go, because you know it's market, if it does go, then okay, then the downtrend might happen, or the trend will, you know, be down. Okay, so that's for GBPUSD. So my selling area is here, 1.3 to 600, 500 to 600, and my stop loss is here, which is 1.3 for 600 or 700 and 2, that's 206 pips. First take profit is 500 pips, 500. So it's 2 to 5, you know, the ratio. So I think it's a good trade, but my final, so I think, yeah, take profit 2 would be 590 pips, would be a perfect moment to get out of the trade and wait for the market to react how it goes. Yep, so yep, that's for today. That's for GBPUSD. So I hope you guys not like my analysis, like not learn from it either. Just see how it goes for the market, and you know, it might be very confusing because, oh, you know, he has all this purple stuff. I don't know what's that. There's too many trend line, too many horizontal lines. Oh damn, he also has this indicator which is useless. It is useless actually. But what I'm doing, what I'm doing is to, when you have to make money, it's like you have to focus and you have to, it's like every small thing matters here, because you gotta, every small thing matters, because you know it's very not tricky. It's just like you gotta write down that point where like stuff can happen. So this is, you know, the purple line is actually my weekly support and resistance. This blue one is actually the monthly one. Yeah, I think. And this line is for like daily, and this is for hourly. It's a different color of trend lines just to see, because oh yeah, sorry. So yeah, what I was saying, okay, I forgot, because I kind of paused the video for here. Yep, so this is what it is. It's very okay. So if you go to hourly timeline, hey, it's like, you know what, I'm gonna sell here, I'm gonna take profit here. That's 150 profit pips. Yeah, you can do that, but like I kind of wanna go wait for it to go longer down, instead of just like, you know, a movement can happen here, prime like that, can just go up and down like very fast in hourly rate. So it's better to not lose money at all than earn, right? So if you earn, that's good, but if you don't lose, that's also good. That means you are not losing money. Okay, so thank you guys for my pound US dollar trade analysis, and hopefully let's see what the market does for this week, and hopefully I can hit. I don't think I'm gonna take profit 1.27590 this fast, I think, but I sure that it's gonna go uptrend. I hope it comes to where is it, 1.32 500 to 600, this position, right? I hope it comes here so I can be ready to sell it. Yeah, 1.32 600. Okay, yep, that's I'm just gonna wait for now, and if there's anything sudden, then I'm gonna update and maybe sell it if that doesn't go to that point also, because if there's too much resistance, buyers are out, sellers are coming in, then I just have to follow it. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much, and hopefully see you guys again.